Oh my God! So you see fun spot from the I-4 every time you come to Orlando, but what's this park really like? I'm gonna show you two of the coolest rides they have to offer, and then you can decide if it's worth coming. It's this one. Let's go. Honk if you want Freedom Flyers. You're getting it anyway. Alrighty, welcome to Freedom Flyer. Flyer? Haven't ridden this one in a while, so my expectations are all over the place. It's a hanging coaster, so please excuse my hands at the bottom. I want to secure this camera to make sure you get the best image. Oh my God. What? That's got to be a soft drop, right? There's no way you put such an aggressive drop on a kid coaster. Oh! Oh man, like you feel like you're being pushed down. Oh, okay. This is nice, actually. I recommend this for all the children, actually. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Oh, that's not too cute. Is that a hot dog? That is not cute. Oh, I want to go to that hot dog stand. Okay, are we over? Of course not. We have the old toilet bowl being flushed down. Whee! I must be the poop from the toilet, because here we go. Oh, and done. Oh. Definitely for the kids. Drink Mountain Dew and get on White Lightning. Say less. Alrighty. Welcome to White Lightning. Fun spot Orlando. Oh my God. Whoa! Pretty hot! Oh, that's a downfall! That's a downfall! It's my downfall! Oh my God! Don't stop it! Oh, no, Head and a half! Move it down! Head and a half! Oh my God! Oh, I can't feel my inside! Yo, there's holes on the track! Woo! That was fast. Man. I wasn't yelling, you guys were. Oh! Alright. That was crazy. So this is a great end of your trip kind of park. Let's say your flight takes off at 7 and you have nothing to do. Come check this place out. There's some pretty cool stuff, as you saw.